It is getting very close to breakout, guys. It's getting very close. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But first, look here what happened yesterday, guys. Yesterday, this red candle over here managed to close below 20 moving average down here. I don't know if you can see it, but technically speaking, we did close below 20 moving average. Over here, we opened below 20 moving average, and then we went with the wick all the way up to the white line up here. That's the 10 moving average. So we are hitting some kind of resistance here at the top, over here at these tops, and right now pulling it back. Is this good or is this bad for the price? Well, technically speaking, we don't know. We are still in the triangle. We're gonna draw the triangle, but important thing to notice is that you know, we are not actually doing that great on this move up here. You know, never closing below certain, you know, important levels is actually good. So the fact that we did close, you know, tiny little bit below, you know, 20 moving average, it's not very optimistic. Also, this move up here, you know, failing to break the 10 moving average is not that good. But this is daily time frame, so we need to wait entire day up here until this this candle over here closes, you know, up here or down here to actually know what direction it's gonna get. You can see this triangle over here on the chart, right? This is still the triangle that we are in. We can go to the 4-hourly time frame over here, and you'll see that the triangle is still in full effect. So, you know, technically we cannot be neither bullish nor bearish over here, but we can actually look for some kind of signs that, you know, maybe just maybe this might actually play out. You remember the line over here from yesterday that we said this, you know, it is very steep towards downside, hitting the support level over here. Some kind of bounce might happen. It did happen, but only up to the top of the moving averages. You know, 50 moving average. So we are still not above that. We are not even close up here at the top over here yet. So we are just in the middle range of the triangle over here. The big question is where this is gonna break out. Now, what I do expect is in the next couple of days, today's, you know, Saturday, so Sunday, Monday, maybe Monday, Tuesday, some kind of move will gonna happen. And let me show you why. Because over here on the Bollinger Bands, let me just remove this over here. These are Bollinger Bands. You can see here that it is getting squeezed really hard. And you can see here right now with the squeeze is at the actual very bottom. And every time the squeeze at the bottom, we get some kind of move after that, right? Over here, you see, you can see that up here, just on this candle up here after this move towards upside, we had this very, you know, tight squeeze, and then we got the drop over here. Over here previously, it doesn't, it's not the same kind of, you know, price action, but you know, you get some kind of squeeze on the bottom, and then you go towards upside. There are a couple more squeezes up here that didn't play out, like this one up here, but after this second squeeze up here, after this bottom started going towards upside, we got some kind of movement, right? So right now we are squeezed as hard as we can. We already know that because it's a triangle do get squeezed, but right now on the daily time frame we are squeezed really hard, and the big question is, you know, where is this gonna break out, towards upside or downside? Now, I'm not very optimistic when it comes to breaking the 20 moving average up here, but we still have higher low on the chart. You can see this down line 27.8. if you remember that we talked about this, 27.8 is very important up here to not break, because if you break 27.8 and you close down here, then you get a, you know, low and a lower low. You're breaking the some kind of market structure up here on the chart. Right now we have over here we had the lower low, but we managed to, you know, pump back up there again, right? But you know, we want to continue this, you know, trend up here with the higher lows all the way through, right? So even if we close up here, if we can manage, you know, stay up here and then eventually maybe break towards upside up here, that might be actually a very good thing. But we don't know yet. We are right now in the middle of nowhere, so nobody is longing nor shorting this. Over here, if you go a little bit back up here, of course a lot of people are watching the triangle, and they might be, you know, longing the supports and shorting the resistance levels, but it is a little bit hard to figure out which direction this is gonna go. We are still keeping the optimism up. I mean, the long-term trend is still towards upside. Nothing has changed in that, right? Over here, right? We are not in any kind of extreme overbought levels or anything like that. The only way we are overbought is on the monthly time frame up here, that you know, we can drop down here a little bit, but besides that, everything looks nice. And I would say that, you know, for whatever reason, this can definitely continue going towards upside over here. There's no reason why it can't. Of course, it can drop down as well. That's what we are fearing. We don't think that it's gonna drop down to 10K or anything like that, but you know, some kind of pullback might happen. So we are looking for whether that's gonna happen. And over here, very soon, you know, that's gonna happen. So if you see this, you know, move up here going outside of this, you know, triangle towards downside, that might actually be a very bad move. Of course, I will be making a video if that happens, so you know, keep out for that. But you know, it's still in the middle of the range, and that's an entire thing that's happened over the night. So I will be making an update maybe during the day and looking, you know, for the price how it's gonna go. But there is one more important thing that's you know, important to remember, and it is one of the most important things, and that is to hit the like button, guys. Thank you for watching. I just need you to hit the like button. It is very important to me. I make these videos for the like button. That's what I live for. So, you know, thank you for hitting the like button. I appreciate that. And if you do hit the like button, I hope the moon and the stars will, you know, be in your favor, and all your, you know, shitcoins will, you know, move towards the 100k. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Bye bye.